watching Rhythm. When the world debates AI, India takes action, turning ambition into reality, ideas into innovation, and ensuring that technology serves the people, not dominates them. As nation struggles with AI's challenges, India is stepping up, leading with responsibility, vision, and an unwavering commitment to technological sovereignty. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is shaping economies, redefining governance, and revolutionizing industries. And now, India is ready to make its mark on the global AI stage. Prime Minister Narendra Modi set to co-chair the AI Action Summit in Paris on Feb 11 alongside French President Emmanuel Macron. This high-stake event, bringing together global leaders, industry experts, and researchers, will focus on regulating AI, fostering innovation, and ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits all. But why is India taking center stage? Because AI is no longer just a tool, it's a geopolitical force. China's DeepSeek has already sent shockwaves across the AI world, proving that innovation doesn't require billion-dollar investments. The rules have changed, and India is responding with a strategic vision. While the world debates AI's risk, India is forging ahead with a homegrown technology, data sovereignty, and a robust AI ecosystem. India's AI ambitions are not just words, they are backed by concrete actions. The National AI Strategy has already laid the foundation for AI-driven growth in healthcare, education, defense, and governance. The government is investing heavily in AI-focused institutions, integrating AI into critical sectors, and ensuring that India is not just a consumer, but a global AI powerhouse. From language translation projects like Bhashini to AI-driven cybersecurity, India is building solutions tailored to its own needs. A crucial pillar of this strategy is data centers. These facilities, essential for processing and managing AI models, are the backbone of the AI economy. India is positioning itself as a global data hub, offering cost-effective computing, power, and infrastructure to drive AI innovation. Unlike countries that rely on foreign AI models, India is working towards its own indigenous AI, ensuring data security and technological self-reliance. This isn't India's first technological leap. The country has a history of bold digital transformations, from the IT boom of the early 2000s to the success of Digital India, Aadhaar, UPI, and GoWin. These initiatives have proven India's ability to handle vast digital ecosystems with precision. AI is simply the next chapter in this success story. The India-France roadmap on AI, set to be announced during the summit, will further strengthen this vision. The two nations are expected to collaborate on AI-driven defense technology, small modular reactors, and aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul, showcasing AI's role beyond just tech. It's about economic and strategic partnerships. With AI startups booming, research collaborations expanding, and government-backed initiatives taking shape, India is ensuring that AI serves national interest first. The upcoming discussions in Paris will not just be about policies, but about India's role in shaping the global AI order. As Prime Minister Modi and President Macron hold bilateral talks, topics like the India-Middle East-Europe economic corridor and expanding educational collaborations will also take center stage. So, as the world watches, one question remains: will India emerge as the leader of AI innovation? The answer lies in its actions. With a clear strategy, strong investments, and a commitment to responsible AI, India is not just participating in the AI revolution, it is bringing a change to the world. Jai Hind.